everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hi children, I am Mrs. Nehal Godambe, your English teacher from MCGM Virtual Training Center. Dear children, in today's session we are going to learn a very beautiful and simple poem. The title of the poem is Basketful of Moonlight, and it is written by Mr. Sunil Sharma. See children, as I said, this is very simple and beautiful poem. But at the same time it gives us a social message through a child. See children, many times children have least expectation from their parents. They do not expect much more. But in this poem, a child has to directly request, directly ask to the moon for something. What does he want? What does he ask to the moon? Let's read through this poem. So let's see what a child asks to the moon to give him. He says, "Oh moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full, with seeds of moonlight." What does a child ask for? He asks moon to give him some moonlight. How much does he want? A basketful or two baskets full. That's it. He's not asking for much. He's asking just for a basketful or two baskets full of moonlight, and with it he wants some seeds of moonlight too. Further he says that from the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. What does that child wants to do? That from city to his village, on the sides of the path, he wants to sow those small moons of light. See children, through this line we can understand that we know this problem from the villages, that many villages are still away from the electricity. The people from the villages have to manage without electricity. There are no street lights on the roads. So here that child wants to sow these small seeds of moonlight on both the way on his path, so that the villages, the roads of the villages will be lighted. Further he says that the whole village goes to the city daily to work. Here, as you know, there are scarcities of jobs in the villages. So people from the villages, they have to go to the city in search of work. So same here, the people from his village goes to the city every day. Daily means every day to work. As the sun rises, the people leave their village and they go towards the city for their work. And when do they return back? It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Oh my God. When the people, they leave their homes, they leave their villages with sunrise, and when do they return back? At the dark night they come back to their homes, because his village is very far. Quite far means very far from the city, and the route is tough. There are no smooth roads. The roads are very tough and they are full of snakes and scorpions. As you know, my dear children, on village roads there are no street lights, so the creatures, they come out at night. And so the child is scared of all these things. He says that the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. So my village people, they should reach to their homes safely. So, oh moon, please give me a basket or two baskets full of moonlights with some seeds, so that I can lead the path of my village, and my people from my village, they'll reach home safely. Further, he says that neither bus nor cart flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. He says that there is no transportation on my village road, no bus, no cart, no, nothing is there. So my father has to walk down to home from city to our village. And by the time he returns, it is too late and I am fast asleep. So I cannot meet my father. I cannot have pleasure time with him. What does a child expect from his father? The very least things, as I said earlier, he has least expectation from his parents, that he wants to have some pleasure time with his father. He says there is no bus, there is no car, there is no transportation, so it's very late my father returns home by the time I'm fast asleep. And what he complains more, he says that, and he goes back early in the morning while I'm sleeping. It's very dark, it's very late when my father returns home by the time I'm fast asleep. And in the morning, before I get up, he goes back early in the morning to his work. Before I get up, he is off to his work, so that I do not get a single moment to spend with my father. I miss it very badly. So, O moon, please give me some moonlight so that I can lead the path. And so that what will happen? He says that, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. See, children, through this line we can see the financial condition of the village people. As you know, they have little money with them. So here this small child, even he understand the condition of his family. So he asked Moon to give him a basket full of moonlight, that too on loan, because he says that I do not have money to pay for that. So please, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan, so that what can I do with it? I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. See, through this line we can see his affection, his love for his father. Why does he want a basket full of moonlight from the moon? So that he can light the dark route of his village, and so that his father can manage walk fast and he can return home earlier than usual. So that is the least expectation of a small child. And why does he want his father to come early home? Because I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. See, children, so least expectation. Again and again I am using this word. He just want to hear fairy tales and stories from him father. From his father. He doesn't expect any other thing from his father. He just want to sleep in his father's arms, and he wants to hear fairy tales and stories from him. That's it. And so he wants his father to come home earlier than usual. And here poet concludes with these lines. Give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. See, he asked the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight with some seeds of moon, so that he can sow on the both the sides of the path of his village road, and so that his village roads will be always lighted. There will be no more darkness on the village path, and the people with his father will return home earlier, and so that he can have some pleasure moment with his father. So that was the meaning of the poem Basketful of Moonlight. So let's do one activity. Write an appreciation of poem. See children, In last session, we have learned how to write an appreciation of poem. So try writing appreciation of poem with this poem, and you can use the points which we have learned earlier. So see you in next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.